Bel Air is filled with countless hot properties.
Today's hot property was originally built in 1957, but it's had a makeover. As Marla is about to show us, it is now one with nature.
You just walk in and you get this whole sense of peace and quiet and serene.
10750 Chalon Road in Bel Air is all about serenity now.
It's almost like your very own Hotel Bel Air.
This Zen sanctuary isn't far from the actual Hotel Bel Air. In fact, it's less than a mile away and offers 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and just under 5,000 square feet.
Off of each bedroom area, there's its own balcony.
Compass Estates Director Sally Forster Jones leads our tours.
You have a sitting area here with a gorgeous brick fireplace.
Not one, but 2 fireplaces warm up the main living space that's flooded with natural light and framed with Fleetwood pocket doors.
It's like a whole different level of indoor-outdoor living.
Stainless steel dominates the chef's kitchen. Plus,
Never have we seen this, an indoor barbecue. Feast your eyes on this.
downstairs is where you'll find most of the bedrooms, including the master.
So the entire outdoor area here is part of your master.
And from the master bath,
You can exit to the deck.
which is where you'll find the floating pool.
So you just want to take a dip, and you can exit the bathroom and
You can go to the pool, you can go into the spa.
You can also just take a hike because the house includes immense backyard. The lot size is just under 20,000 square feet. The backyard here includes this cozy outdoor lounge.
it looks like you have your own park as your backyard. Look at this brick walkway. It goes all the way down to, Sally, there's walking paths down there?
There's walking paths.
If you want to live here, you have to love the outdoors.
Recapping this week's hot property at 10750 Chalon Road in Bel Air. Close to 5,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, plus your own forest. Asking price for this indoor-outdoor oasis, just under $8 million.
How relaxed do you feel?
Extremely. I'd feel more relaxed if I was actually the owner of this place.
In Bel Air, Marla Tejas, Fox 11 News.
You guessed right. That's
That was
pretty good.
close, yeah.
All right, to see more of this home, check out the hot property section of the LA Times on Saturdays or go to latimes.com/hotproperty.